According to the state negotiation team, discussions with the three project lead developers have been going well, with the state team confident of having project agreements signed by Q1 2019.
Since our establishment up until now, we had presentation from the three companies in terms of the work they've done and to understand where they are, whether they are ready for us to commence negotiations. That also looks at the technical work, the drilling, and so forth.
The state negotiation team has also made it known that at this stage, it is looking to develop all three projects in parallel, with no intention on focusing on one over another.
The window for opportunity is between now and 2020. If we don't get some of the project into financial investment decision, we will miss the opportunity.
It's coming to a point where we are now finalizing the metrics, the negotiation term sheets are going to be finalized, and we are not far away, and it's very timely that Dr. Fesharaki is coming in to give a little bit more insight to the team.
This week, the team met with Dr. Feridun Fesharaki from Facts Global Energy, a leading authority on LNG. According to Dr. Fesharaki, given the current world LNG market, Papua New Guinea has until the year 2020 to commence construction and production on new LNG projects. He says keeping to within this timeline to develop the proposed projects is crucial, as any delays would possibly mean the country missing out on securing lucrative LNG markets, especially within the Asia region.
What is going to happen is that a huge amount of new projects from the US, from Canada, and from Russia, from Qatar, in this global market, it doesn't matter what region you are in. Your destination is always the big consuming countries in Asia, and so it is really sort of the volume which is coming in competition, which is critical.
But for PNG, despite the best efforts of government to progress these three LNG projects, challenges will remain. Among them, completion of the all-important social mapping exercise, something which the state negotiation team hopes will be concluded successfully by project lead developers.
Obviously, under the Oil and Gas Act, the developers are responsible to do the social mapping, or what we call the land owner identification process. So one of the things that we've been advocating all along with those three developers is that you need to fulfill your legal responsibility. And I'm happy to say that for PASCA, I think all three projects, the companies are almost there, finalizing their social mapping and land owner identification.
We are ready to then go into the negotiation process to conclude the gas agreement so we can meet the FID timeline of late 2019 or early 2020, that window, so we can deliver our LNG when the market is right, which is about 2024.
Merabatulo, National EMTV News.